Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bizco's Door Icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay, now let's get started. For this drawing, I'm going to be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first and having an eraser ready. Let's start by drawing a large circle. And then another one inside to thicken up the line. And then let's color this in black. Now that we have the circle, let's hop in and let's draw the eyes. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve down. And a large curve up on top. And now for the right eye, let's hop over and let's start a little bit higher up and draw a curve across. And again, a large bump up on top. Now inside each eye, let's add a swirl. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across in between the eyes. And continue it down on the right side and down on the left. Now inside this bottom section, let's draw the tongue. Let's start next to the left eye and let's draw a curve down to the bottom. Then let's hop back up to the top and let's add a curve in. And then from the right, let's bring it down to close off the tongue. And then for the mouth on the right, let's add a small bump across and a line down. Now that we're done the mouth, let's add the pattern on the body. On the left, let's add a curve across to the tongue. And then continue it on the other side. And then a large curve over and up to the right eye. Now in the bottom section, let's add the polka dot pattern. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a circular curve around. And then a curve down and around underneath the tongue. Then a small one next to the tongue here. A circle at the top. A smaller one underneath. And then 3 more on the right side. And that's it for the polka dots. Now let's hop up and let's finish off the top of the head. Let's start with 2 curves up and out on top. And then let's curve it out And then on top of each eye, let's add a curve underneath. And then a large circle at the end of each one that's overlapping the outside circle. And then inside these circles, let's erase the overlapping lines. And lastly, inside each one, let's draw a zigzag line across. And that's it for Bizco's door. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!